The MDU shows you the most important information of the filter: the remaining capacity, the bypass, the type and the size of filter, and the last exchange date. To operate the display unit, it must be removed from the connecting fittings. Slide the display housing up about 10 mm and pull off the display unit. The display unit is operated using a button on the back of the display unit. Press and hold the button for at least 4 seconds and a maximum of 10 seconds to enter programming mode. The filter system type and size flashes. Press and hold the button until the filter system type is displayed. When the correct filter system type is shown, release the button. Press the button once to access the unit of hardness. Press and hold the button until the desired unit of hardness has been reached. When the correct unit is shown, release the button. Press the button once to access the next parameter, the hardness value. Press and hold the button until the desired value for water hardness has been reached. When the correct water hardness value is shown, release the button. Press the button to access the next parameter, monthly limit. Press and hold the button until the desired value has been reached. When the correct limit is shown, release the button. Press the button once until the message Reset appears and flashes. Press the button for longer than 2 seconds. The set parameters have been accepted. The total capacity is set at 0% bypass and the current date appears. The MDU is ready. Insert the display unit in the filter and continue with the installation of the filter.